Welcome to the French Drain Man channel. I'm Robert Sherwood, and we're in Grosse Pointe Shores. We're doing a yard dewatering system. Alright, we're installing the Screamin Demon. It's got two half-horse power sump pumps. And you can see what we did. You see how we're really deep here, but that's okay. We have the micro Screamin Demon. It's 25 inches tall. So see how we left a few inches right here? We want the French drain trench to be dry. So this is how you have to do every installation that has to do with a yard drain and a sump pump system. All our bad seeds and our Screamin Demon are full lineup. If you just make sure that your sump pit is a few inches, you want the water to fall into the sump pit, leaving your yard drain system completely dry. You want to get every last drop. That way you don't have trees, shrubs, root buildup. That's the thing you have to watch out for. If you leave water in your yard drain, if you build it to where it holds water, trees and shrubs can sniff that out, especially during the drought season. They will go searching for water, they'll find it, and over time, they'll ruin your yard drain system. So, we took advantage of the fence, ran our electric right there, came out of the basement, right by the AC unit. Nice clean install. The guys did a great job. I'll show you what it looks like once you set this in place and you have your yard drain pipe and your perforated pipe, your solid, your downspouts. I'll show you how that works. It couldn't be easier. Alright, this is one of our micro Screamin Demon. Set it and forget it. So the downspout run with solid pipe comes here. The water just falls into the sump pit. Our yard drain pipe, which is a solid pipe as well with basins on it, that's to the right. That goes right there. And then our French drain trench pipe, the perforated, that goes right there. That creates that monster void at the bottom of your French drain that moves all that water. And that giant void that high octane creates, when you have a double barrel system or a triple barrel system, these inlets are so big the water can just move from one pipe to the other as it balances and it seeks level as it's running down the slope of the trench. But right here, this is what we work so hard for. You know, we put all these half-inch holes in the Boffman Tile Company's dual wall culvert pipe. Nothing stronger. You can drive anything on this that you want. We're going to basically just take a rake and we just hold those down and we're going to just dump the stone in with the ditch witches. So this is the fits all. Works for any application. You don't need so many places to hook up to discharge your water. I mean, we were getting requests for so many crazy things. You DIYers build some wild stuff. So, you know, you pushed us to run half-inch holes on the sides, bottom, and top. I mean, we got inlet all over the place. We increased the inlet. Monster inlet. We increased the inlet by 300%. So all you have to do is just run your pipes right at the bottom of the trench, have your sump pit a little deeper, the water just falls in, and a visual like this really helps, I know. So there you guys go, man. Fits any application. It's super easy. And that's what I wanted. I didn't want to see homeowners struggling, DIYers struggling. We had to make it easier. I know we have a fully plumbed yard drain system that you just drop in, and we're the first to do something like that. But we're working to make it easier and easier. And honestly, all summer long, you know, we put time in seeing what performed well, yet was convenient and easy for the homeowner, DIYer, to install, because not everybody has the equipment we do. So if you can dig a 25-inch hole, because that's what that is, 25 inches deep, that's the micro Screamin Demon. Now, if you need to be deeper, then you need our full frame. Our full frame is taller yet. I believe it's 30 inches tall. So just go to the full frame. But you want your sump pit to be deeper than all of your drain trenches. The yard drain, which is a solid pipe on basins, and the French drain, which is a perforated pipe surrounded by stone, and the perforated pipe just creates a giant void in the system to move more water. So our pipe moves far more water than stone. That's the point. That's why we like running double barrels when we can. So, you know, we have D boxes to catch the garbage. We have D boxes on the downspouts. And then we just tied it into the solid pipe only. Everything runs to this sump pump pit. Everything. So it's a complete, you know, yard dewatering system. So you, in the duplex model, you can set it up to where you have two pumps stubbed, and out you go. This homeowner is going to use this duplex model in this capacity. They're going to, you know, it's not will a sump pump fail, it's when. And that sump pump, you know, we have the very best sump pumps. We're actually special ordering our sump pumps so that they take more heat, they take more run time. You know, we're putting everything, you know, through its paces so that we can deliver a better product to the homeowner. And we're there. I mean, this thing is just ridiculous. But the homeowner can just take that lid off and drop a sump pump in, say in 30 years if this sump pump quit. So that's, you know, that's the thought behind that. Otherwise, just the single Screamin Demon would have been fine. And we do have a heater in here. So we got two cords coming out. We got the sump, and then we have the heater. Now, all our sumps come with a 25-foot cord now. I mean, that's a standard. You know, in yard drains, we just need it. All right, everybody. Until that next video.